Good afternoon.
You are also good afternoon.
How are you?
I am fine. And you?
I am also fine. May I ask you some questions?
Yes.
Okay, so let's talk about your family. Do you have family?
Yes, I have family.
Okay, how many members are there in your family?
There are 6 members in my family.
Who are they?
They are my parents and siblings.
Okay, what's your father's name?
My father's name is Abdul Muti.
MashaAllah, what does your father do?
My father is a farmer.
Okay, do you like your father?
Yes, I like my father.
Okay, by the way, what's your mother's name?
My mother's name is Asma.
What does your mother do?
My mother is a housewife.
Do you love your mother?
Yes, I love my mother.
Fantastic. How many brothers and sisters do you have?
My 3 sisters. I
Okay.
have my 3 sisters.
Okay. What's your sister's name?
My sister's name is Sadia Akhtar.
Okay. What does your sister do?
My sister is student as well as teacher.
MashaAllah. Do you love your sister?
Yes, I love my sister.
Amazing. Okay. Who helps you in your study?
My
Teacher.
my mother helps me in my studies.
Okay, mashallah. His mother always help him to do his homework, especially. Okay, do you love your family?
Yes, I love my family.
Why do you love your family?
I love my family because they are always help me.
Okay, do you respect your family?
Yes, I respect my family.
MashaAllah. Do you feel proud as a member of your family?
Yes, I feel proud as a member of my family.
Okay, that's all about today's video, my dear friends. You have seen his name is Tanvir. He is the student of English Message. He is doing really great performance. We are very happy to have such types of students, and to be honest, they will make fire very soon, inshallah. So that's all. Assalamu alaikum.